So I'm going to show you how to put together this beautiful rose bouquet. It's called the Alma. So first things first, you are going to have 5 beautiful roses. They're in a very neutral color. They should be white. They could also be cream or this beautiful cafe color that they've just started doing at our rose farm. One thing that you'll notice when they arrive is they'll be much more tightly closed than these. I've left these open for a few days. And then they might have what's called guard petals on the outside. Here's a good example of one. Looks like this. And it's just this ruffly feather on the outside here. It can be a little bit brown, it can be a little bit green. I love the sort of vintage look of them, but if you don't like them, you can just pluck them off like this. It doesn't harm your rose at all, and it can give it a little bit of a cleaner look if that's your preference. So, you're gonna start with your 5 roses. You're gonna give them a quick trim on an angle, and you're gonna put them around the outside of your vase. Next up, we have some Eryngium. This vibrant blue stem has this beautiful thistle end, and I am just in love with it. I put these on opposite sides of the vase, just in between the roses. Next up, you're going to use your spray mums. So you might have spray mums that have a flower head like this, or you might have Doria mums that have a little ball end like this. I'm gonna use the Doria mums today. And next, you're going to work in some beautiful baby blue eucalyptus. Once your bouquet is done, you can use this eucalyptus in the shower to create this gorgeous steam vibe. And then last but not least, you are going to put in your 5 beautiful tulips. We have them coming in this really beautiful purple color this month for this bouquet, and what you're going to notice when they arrive is they're going to be about 40 centimeters long, which may feel a bit short if you're using a tall vase like this. These ones though, I have left in water for a couple of days, and as you can see, they are super long now. So they may feel short, but they should grow and then should be the right length compared to everything else. Give these ones a quick little trim. And then pop them in along the outside of your vase. They're pretty fragile, so you want to make sure they have lots of space, nothing squishing them. And there you have it, the Alma.